didn't know how we would do it at first. We were scared and confused at first, but no, we pulled together as a team and found that golden axe, and we brought it back. We brought it back to its rightful owner. I never have been so proud of anybody else in my life. This has been the top thing I've done in so long, and that's why I am completely and utterly flabbergasted and without words to receive this illustrious golden pine cone. But it really is such a great honor to do this. There are so many other candidates out there that I don't see how I was chosen among all of them and just singled out for this one illustrious award. In fact, these beads I wear, each color represents something different. Blue is for, the bravery that I once had, and the purple is for, it's purple. Yes, I'm a jokester. The purple really is about the clarity of soul and vision. I'm sure my detractors are out there, but I'd like to think that I have that sort of clarity. But still, I think that the purple may be one of my favorite colors. This green is the luck of the Irish. I'm not Irish, but I'd like to think that I'm lucky. I'm sure that my luck has played a great part in me receiving this illustrious award. I'm still beyond words about this award. And we have the white, which is very clean, very pure as well. I have the purity of spirit in purple. The purity is double purity. Who doesn't want double purity? And gold is of course for wealth, which I would like to one day attain so that I may continue doing these sort of works. Oh, and I'd like you all to enjoy these complimentary blues that we've given you all. It makes such wonderful noises. You can rub on your hair if you have hair and make things stick to walls. Can't really do it here. Just can't really stick here. They're green and yellow, all the colors of the rainbow here, at least the rainbow is neat. And also, I'd like you all to enjoy your pens. Very wiggly, very wavy. As you notice, they seem to be commemorative Werp Wost pens, as you can see with the main feather on my face. I think that is a very fine touch, planners. I did not even expect this. But thank you. But still, what I'm trying to get at, even with this little derail, is that this is such an illustrious award that I cannot express my gratitude in words unless they're not English, and I don't speak anything other than English. And this award means as much to me as the shirt on my back means to me, or the shirt I'm not wearing, depending what day it is. Thank you. I didn't win the golden pine cone. I want to win the golden pine cone. That should be my goal in life. Is to win the golden pine cone. I should do that. I think winning the golden pine cone is great. All I can do is use my voodoo powers in the cabbage.
Come in.
It's finally nice to meet you.
I'm Cassie Lamont, the new Inspector Director of Operations, and I'm going to make things a little different around here, hopefully clean it up a bit.
I'm a bit indifferent towards your intentions, Casey.
Why is that, Red?
It's Inspector Red Cabbage to you.
Well, I can see why things never got done around this crummy place, because of people like you. You know, the other day I was going through your files, and let me tell you, you are far from a real inspector. In fact, in my book, you're a wannabe. I looked in your files, and not one time did you ever say how you solved the case, any leads that you had, nothing.
I'm sure you did find those things, because I am no ordinary detective. Besides, paperwork is not my forte.
It's unclear to me exactly what you do here. And what is your name again?
Oh, Suitman, or Harry Manas.
What? What is your real name?
Oh, it's Paul Redmond, I think. Yeah.
Well, I'm so glad that you're so sure.
Back to the task at hand. I do believe you are accusing me of being a fake and a loser.
That's right. By these records, you're incompetent.
Oh, those are fighting words right there.
Okay, now, please, stop fighting. The two of you are scaring me. You don't like it.
He started it.
Whatever.
When are you going to tell us why we are here?
Well, first, tell me what happened with this golden axe case. I mean, it was almost a year ago, but it says the case was solved and that you collected some money on this purchase.
Well, we spent the money on a new base, a layer where we could better study and understand crime.
Study and research crime? You do realize that crime is at the highest point ever in the city, and you never said how you solved this.
Well, our buddy Werp Wost used his voodoo powers to magically return the axe to the hands of Nigel Sinclair.
I do not believe you one bit. And where is this Werp Wost?
Well, he is gone. He has been missing for quite some time. We could really use his help right now.
How can we stop criminals from terrorizing the city if you don't even know how to, investigate or file reports or keep up with your coworkers?
Well, we have been studying these fellows quite a long time. I have even installed a hidden camera in the eye of a bird in their apartment.
Are you sure that this is the center of the widespread crime?
Well, it's going great.
Keep me informed of what's happening. And maybe, just maybe, you can keep your job as inspector. By the way I see it, that inspector test is way too easy.
Ooh, test. Where can I take the test?
Shut up!
See ya.
That was interesting. I should have been a plumber.
Oh, Inspector Cabbage hasn't showed up yet, and neither has Suit Guy, and neither has Chief Inspector. I wonder where they all could be. They're behind me. No, there'd be a nice plan back here. It'd be great for a plant. But still, hey, it's Amoose. Man, I'm totally bored. Well, I'm gonna look pretty silly. Just sort of standing here talking to myself. Sit and talk to myself. Anybody? Hello? Anybody working here? I think I'm stuck to the seat. It's really sticky. I think somebody spilled some honey on here. Could help? Hello? Anybody? Oh. Okay, this chair's not so bad. I guess we can stick here. But man, are they smooth. It's like eels. Eels made these chairs out of themselves. But I don't know. I wonder where these people are. Wait, this is the headquarters. This should basically have people in it. Is this really headquarters? I didn't end up at a barbecue place, did I? Oh yeah, I love some barbecue. Man, if this is a barbecue joint, I should get some barbecue first. And then maybe Italian once in a while. So I'm sure they'll like it there at headquarters. I like food. They're very foodie over there. Also very drinky. Not the alcohol so much. More of the regular drinks. I think Frappuccinos would be really a big hit there. We should try a Frappuccino day. Maybe with a Friday. Casual Friday Frappuccino day. CFC. Or no. FCF. There you go. Be like a Frappuccino Casual Friday in headquarters. But that doesn't really make sense with the H. Man, I should knit. I am so bored. I don't even like knitting. Knitting is like donkeys. I don't like donkeys either.
Hey dude, I want a haircut.
Oh sure, have a seat, partner, I'll cut your hair.
I want it on off.
What's your name? Was barber shop. So what brings you here?
My parents from Ohio. My parents are black. I went to California for serving. Cowboy dude.
Why are you getting your hair cut, son?
Oh, it bothered me. My girlfriend doesn't like it.
Oh, that's a shame. Well, you came to the right place to get a haircut, partner. I mean, you're starting to look like an Asian gangster.
Oh, I just want to be like an average American.
Okay, I can make you look like an average American. So, you're African, huh? Your parents eat a lot of chicken?
Yes, they do.
They love chicken.
My father loves it. He cannot live with that chicken.
Just cutting hair. I'll make you look like an average American. That's no problem. Well, I'll get you nice and trimmed up there, sonny boy. Oh, a phone call. Excuse me. Amoose Barbershop, Hooper speaking. Well, hello, Werp Cabbage. It's wonderful to hear from you. How are you?
We have need of you again to solve the most horrible of crimes. You need to infiltrate this meeting which we will provide to you.
Oh, a meeting? Oh, no, I cut hair now. I'm not involved in that investigation anymore. I cut hair.
And you will meet the two people that we give unto you, and you will find out what criminal activities they may be
Guys,
crime.
what kind of guys? A bird phone? Well, where on earth? You have no sense getting me involved in this. I cut hair. You should come by my barbershop. I'll give you a haircut.
No, I do not need a haircut.
I am not going to come over there and fight crime with you. That part of my life is over with. That chapter in the book has come to an end.
I do not need that kind of abuse, Amoose. You must find and give these people haircuts.
Not fighting crime. End of story. Bottom of the line. You're just going to have to learn to accept that.
Oh, yes, exactly. Thank you. That is all.
Just gonna cut some hair. Cut some hair. I'm not. Holly Dixon. I'm just cutting hair.
Oh my God! Come here, I'm bleeding!
It's all right. It's free of charge. It's free of charge.
God!
It's free of charge. Just sit back down. I'll give you a haircut. You'll get a little Band-Aid on it. It'll be just fine. I apologize, young black man. It'll be just fine. I've cut plenty of hairs in my career. It'll be just fine.
You cut plenty of hair in your life?
Free of charge. I promise you, young black man. Free of charge.
Oh,
How's your ear?
it's bleeding, man! It's not so bad! Oh!
We must go find the Werp Wost. Now, let us be gone.
That's all.
For the Emperor. Napoleon. Louis XIV.
Something smells like rotten feces around here. Rotten feces. This one, yeah.
Rutabaga monk, motivated guy that smells like a skunk. He will try to sell you some junk. Rutabaga monk, motivated guy that smells like a skunk. He will try to sell you some junk. Rutabaga monk. He is rutabaga monk. What a worthless and useless punk.
Oh, it's you.
Salutations, I am Rutabaga Monk, the master of all plans, materials, and resources to make your head spin.
I don't think I need you, sir. I'm just looking for yourself over here. We'll be heading on this way.
Nonsense, I can help you find your inner self above the material that meets the eye. Don't you think it's fortuitous that we have met at this precise moment in time?
I think I just need to, I think I need to go on. I don't think you can help me with any of this inner peace stuff.
Ridiculous. I have seen stealing and murdering and pillaging. I can help you find your inner self.
I don't know.
I have pants. Would you like some pants?
These pants are far too small for me. Besides, I also have pants already. Hey, you can't help me.
Would you like some coffee? I have some coffee. It's quite good.
No, I don't think I want any coffee. I'm coffeeed out today. No, sir, that is no good coffee. You're lying to me. I don't think that's a lie.
I'm not lying. That's just your imagination. How would you like a Valentine for your girlfriend?
I like this. It's shiny. It's pretty. How much would you like for this?
$500 or more.
That's not so bad. I guess that's. I got my wallet here. Wallet. 500 or more. So we say we could do maybe. Let's try 550. Wait. No, this is snake oil. Snake oil, I tell you. Snake oil. Snake oil in heart format. I do not want this. Snakes need hearts and oil that's in hearts.
What do you expect? I'm the monk, damn it.
Severe financial misfortune. My wallet is going away.
It can't be worse than any fortune I have right now.
You lose. Good day, sir.
Wait, you want to see my prostate? It only costs $1.
Stupid prostate, man. It smells like feces. That's why I want to look at it. It's like, oh my god, it smells like feces. I want to look at prostate. I never want to get prostate. It's horrible. Nobody wants prostates. Yeah, I don't want to go that way.
Cracker Jacks! Meeting! I gotta go to the meeting. I gotta go to the meeting. Cracker Jacks. Cracker Jacks. Meeting. Cracker Jacks. Oh, jeez. Meeting. Cracker Jacks. Or my milk. Should I go to the meeting? My Cracker Jacks and my meeting. Shall I go to the meeting? I'm just not sure. I'll tell you what. I could go to the meeting with my Cracker Jacks, or I could eat my Cracker Jacks and then go to the meeting. Holly Dixon, go to the meeting or eat my Cracker Jacks, or both. Both might work. I'm a barber now. I don't investigate murders and mysteries. I'm not involved in law enforcement anymore. I cut hair. I don't investigate. I cut hair. This is my life now. Cutting hair. Not investigating, but cutting hair. That settles it. I'm going to the meeting. I was born to investigate. I'm going to the meeting. That's it. I'm going to the meeting. Going to the meeting. I'm going. I think it's okay to come out now. Holly Dixon. I think the coast is clear. I swear I'm going. I'm going, I swear. I promise you that. Okay. Here it goes.
liked to swim very much. He was a very good swimmer, man.
He was. He's like a fish, so it was.
Too bad he is not here. We should go to the rooftops. Let's go!
Where is he?
Maybe we should just go home to the lair.
Yeah.
Let's go to the lair.
Not sure enough met that, so I like that.
I hear for the meeting.
Where you been?
Well, you know, had things to take care of. A cracker egg, for instance. You like one?
I'm waiting here a long time for you.
Oh, well, I apologize from about the bottom of my heart, but from the top of my heart.
Still didn't explain the fact that you're wet. Where you going late?
Well, you know, lots of things to take care of. I cut hair. You could use a haircut if you'd like to stop by Amoose barbershop sometime.
And it sounds like it might deter my strength. Extension is not the type of thing going on. Top of the line.
The
top of the line.
The art of mending.
Yes, it's technologies, ladies. You put these on, and it's invisible.
Invisible?
Yes, this is like the latest technology in 3D holographic simulations.
Oh, yeah, well,
Yeah,
I've done research in there before.
You just gotta stretch it a little bit, and you slip it on like a condom, and then next thing you know, it takes over the whole body, and you get the shield. It's like full body, armor, and then we're gonna take care of the business at hand.
The business at hand?
Yeah.
I didn't know of any business at hand.
Yeah.
There's business at hand. I cut hair for a living. I don't fight crime. There's business at hand. This is far too much stress for me.
Look, there's hair involved, but you won't be cutting it. You'll be suppressing it.
Well,
with ease.
this will be like stopping smoking. We'll just take it one step at a time. I go from cutting hair to hiding hair, and slowly approach fighting crime.
This is spontaneity. This is spontaneousness. This is right now. This is it.
That's
My life's work.
the end all be all?
Yes. My pretties. This is my life's work. These revolutionize the market.
Revolutionized.
Revolutionize.
What?
Yes. You feel the fabric.
Oh yeah, it's real silky smooth.
Yeah, that's the cocoon of 1,000 silkworms.
Oh gee, well where'd you get these from? China?
Personally raised each worm myself.
My
Talked to it
goodness.
as I disembarked the web and wove these. The worm talked to me and told me what to make.
Worms? Oh yeah, I hear worms talk to me all the time.
No, these are special. These are silkworms from Japan. They were raised on Mount Kyoto
Oh, Mount Kyoto.
with volcanic ashes.
Oh yeah, well,
Yes. You have to
destruction
hold
is a
them,
form of creation.
hold them for 3 seconds in this direction, and then you switch to north to south. So
Okay.
it's almost like the yin and the yang.
Oh, wow, nice equilibrium
The yin
going on
and
there.
yang. Got a yin yang.
Yeah.
Yes.
A 3 sec. 1001, 1002, 1003.
No, hold on. The thousands don't work. You have to use hundreds.
Okay, well let me start over then. I'll use
Yes.
101, 102, 103.
Yes, but slower.
101, 102, 103.
Now sniff it.
Oh, these really are made from
It's
silkworms.
ready. Yes. It is melded to your hands, and now it's ready for your DNA to take sequence. DNA sequence through your head, and it mimics your skin tone. That's how you become invisible. It interprets your environment.
Oh my goodness. Well,
Yes.
I didn't realize silkworms were such a panacea to so many different applications.
Only if you talk to them.
Oh, communication is paramount then, I suspect.
Yes, you have to let them know what you want.
Now, wasn't there supposed to be another guy here meeting us?
Someone told me about somebody else, but they're not here, so I say. I think my worms told me they're a snitch.
A snitch?
Yeah, they're a snitch, so we need to leave. because if they come, we busted.
Oh, good. Well, I better put this. Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Holly Dixon, it won't fit.
That might be a small. Yeah, yeah, this is a large. Yeah, that's a large.
Yeah, large.
That's a small.
I might need industrial size.
This is from a baby worm.
This is worth a shot. You know, any good thing is worth one shot at least. Perhaps two, perhaps three, or anything greater than one. Holly Dixon, it won't fit.
You gotta push. You gotta push it through. Push
it through?
Like a newborn infant come out of the womb. Just yeah.
Push it through. One more try.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's melding. All right, that's half of it.
That's half of it.
That's half of it. Yes. Now it must cover your eyes.
Oh, jeez. Okay, hold on. There. I can't see.
Perfect. That's the thing. The worms do not allow you to see. Now you must envision the worms in your head so they can see for you.
Well, you know, I'm pretty much seeing the same stuff I always see when my eyes are closed. Just, you know, little neon spots and intensity where light is, and
that's the worms. Yes, it works.
It's the worms. It works.
Yes, it does.
Holly Dixon.
They allow you to see your inner self while you're walking through the garden of light. That's how they work. That's how I designed them to be. It's a silkworm visionary. It's all about the worms. It's all about the worms. Yes, they talk to me.
Certainly do work, but I'm just not sure about the underlying issues created by such a principal concept. How much do they cost?
I thought about marketing them at about 900 shillings a pair, but the worms tell me no, they need more. So I think 20 gold pieces will do. Do you have it with you? Did you bring the money?
Here, I don't have that kind of money.
Well, if you dip your hair in gold, I'll take that.
Gold doused hair? That's kind of like a concept of a caramel apple. Well, hell.
Well, caramel apples work too. My worms love apples. Yeah.
Caramel apples?
Yeah. If you feed the worms.
I think you have yourself a bargain, mister. Well, hell, man, caramel apples, that's a hell of a bargain. I can get a hold of some of those before the day is out.
Yeah. Bring as many as you can.
Worms love apples, huh? I never thought that I could have a money tree, but this concept seems to certainly qualify for such a money tree. Let me ask you a question, though. Where's a bird tie?
Bird?
A bird tie? Something about a bird tie.
What bird?
Bird shit. I can't make it anymore. I don't know.
Too much information. He's a fucking snitch. I can smell that wire he was wearing. Yeah, his wire all over him. He's gonna expose my plans. No, gotta go get him. Yes, go get him.
It's really hot out. Oh my god, it's hot out. Oh man, it's hot. Man, I'm woozy. It's so hot out. I need the shade. I need some shade. Sit in the shade. Oh, rocks. Such nice, cool rocks. Water. I can't see. Oh, what's going on? I need water and liquor. Oh, there's liquor. Water, liquor. Never have enough water or liquor. Get on again! Let's drink the damn water! Drink it! Yes, I'll come back and you know what happens then. You look at the second verse. Oh, you need to be hydrated. Yes, I see you again. I'll take you to hell. That's not fun, Werp. Not fun. You will lose your cabbage there again.
Garbage-less, waterless. Dehydrated is bad. Water is good. Sip that liquor. No liquor. At first I thought you were drunk, and so I wasn't going to be here.
I don't understand.
Hamster dance. You do the
Stop, no. I hate the hamster dance, but no.
You feel the pain? Stop.
No.
Yes?
I'll drink my water. I'll drink it. Stop the dance. Okay, we're better. Thank you. No, water. Oh, large sphere of no water. Why have you forsaken me? Oh, sir, could you help me, please, sir?
What do you need, crazy man?
I need water. Do you have any water?
No, I don't have any water. All I got is this little tree. It's pretty good.
No, I'm okay.
It's got moisture in it.
Old man. No, that's not. I need more than just the moisture. I need the whole.
The whole tree?
No,
you need the whole tree?
I don't thank you. I just the water part.
I'm sorry, I don't have any water. Take the load off your mind. Have a seat.
All right.
What's the mask all about?
The mask is part of my face. I was horribly burned as a child.
You look that bad? You can't
Yes.
look that bad.
I'm sure I do.
To you or to your mama?
I don't know. Probably both. So, do you know anything about cabbages?
Cabbages? No, just they make me fart a lot when I eat them.
Cabbages.
They make me blow up like a balloon, and I fart, and man, it just makes me have the runs and everything else. No, you can keep
No,
cabbage.
I never eat them. They do the same thing to me. I use them in my my line of work.
What's your line of work?
Detective investigations.
Investigating what?
Stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Crimes, I guess.
Crimes?
Private investigation work. You can put it that way.
How can you sneak around with that mask on?
Very careful.
Nobody ever sees you, huh?
Nope. Nobody ever sees me. I am like the night. You don't see it coming until it's too late.
I'm choking on this oak tree. I need something to drink. You got anything to drink?
I think I was asking for water before. I don't.
Well, you said water. You didn't say something to drink.
See, I don't have anything to drink. Period. I don't think. No, I'm out. I'm water. I'm liquidless.
Liquidless?
Liquidless.
Are you mindless too?
No, I don't think so. I wait. No.
No. You got to think about that a minute.
I think about that one. Gotta make sure it's still there. Maybe we should find some water, something to drink.
Well, you can find something to drink. There's probably a pond around here with some turtles. I don't know. Have you ever noticed how turtle turds are so little?
No.
They look strange. You ought to investigate that. They hide them in the dirt and stuff. Yeah.
They're like cats.
Yeah, I guess so. Like cats, so they can't be smelled.
These turtle turds really aren't getting us any water here, old man that talks. Maybe we should find water instead of talking about these turtle turds.
You can go find it. I'm comfortable here. I don't need water that bad. I'd rather watch the turtles swim around in the pond than drink the water. Because there's got to be some turds in there. You sure you don't want a piece of this oak?
No, I'm okay with that. Yeah, it was nice talking to you.
I didn't tell you to have it! Don't steal my oak tree!
Oh, I'm glad I got away from him. Jeez, he was gonna have me torn to bits and pieces. Oh, I'm sure glad that's over with.
That's it. Get in there.
Let's see what this cabbage has to say. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Ooh, what? Thick. Ooh, that's always a good sign. That's always a good sign. Smells cabbagey. Oh, cabbage. Let's see here. Yeah, that should be perfect. Now, I would like a newspaper. Newspaper would be great. I think I'd like a newspaper cabbage. Could you give me my morning newspaper? Ah, nice. Tokens of wisdom, allegedly. Fun things. Fun. Yeah, that's definitely today's news. Oh. Now, cabbage, I would like, cabbage. Delicious red cabbage. I'll do it this way. No, I can go this way. There it is. See, now I think let's go for a shoe. Shoe. No. 2 shoes. A pair of shoes. How great. Oh man, this is great. A pair of shoes. Okay, have those. I have a newspaper with shoes. What else would I need? I don't know.
There's a freaking knife inside of me. Why the hell did you put a knife inside of me?
Cabbage, you should not talk. Besides,
What?
you're
What
not
gives you
really
the
alive.
right?
This knife should be okay.
Tell me I can't talk. I have every bit of a right to talk. You, sir, are an idiot.
What do you need all on cabbages? People are going to be playing. Watch. See, look, I can just take this knife out of
I
you.
don't have any voodoo powers.
Maybe I
I
can't.
do have powers.
We're still winning. We have consciousness. How you like that? Huh?
But they don't concern you.
So, voodoo powers are not all cabbage, I don't think. I think we can still do something, cabbage. Cabbage. We can still do voodoo powers. Even though it's all with you. Cabbage, I'm through with you.
What are you doing with me? Oh, you done with me? Oh, whatever.
Through with cabbage.
Oh, you better be running. 'Cause I'm about to come and get you. Cabbages will rule the world one day.
That was very refreshing and to the point.
Yes, yes it was. And let us go. Man,
delicious biscuits.
Man, they took my detective gloves. They fired us.
It's just not right.
How could Cassie do that?
Those are your
It's
detective
wrong.
gloves.
And we cannot find Werp Wost.
Oh, no.
And we can't find crime.
It's
I can't
like
find
a
my car
lose-lose
keys.
situation.
I
It's
can't
just-
find my parking spot.
But parking spot. And
Oh my god, he's Werp Wost.
Hey, guys.
This is-
How did you get here?
I was climbing this tree.
Where have you been?
Around.
We're fired.
Oh, that's a shame. Yeah, the whole couch thing ain't working out with the voodoo.
It's not working?
Couches are pretty mean.
They're mean?
They're aggressive. They're little pointy feet.
They eat you?
No. What kind of cabbages are you eating?
The red ones.
Oh my god.
Oh, that makes sense.
Whoa.
I figure the green ones will someday, join them.
I am a red cabbage.
No, you're okay. You're a person.
You're eating me an effigy.
No, that doesn't like you.
He's got the teeth.
So next we have to eat. So maybe we should eat a certain effigy.
Huh?
Just kidding, Dolphus.
You